Up for sale, I got a 1970 Nova, finished in factory correct black, with factory correct black interior, excuse me. 350, 4-speed Muncie, power steering. Gonna walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. Like I said, 1970 Nova, factory correct black with factory correct black interior. It's a rare combination as far as, you know, Chevys go. Black seems to always be one of the lowest production numbers ordered. So I mean, just look at Corvettes. It's super rare all the time. So I have to assume there's no production numbers on the paints, but I have to assume and believe, because of other black cars out there, factory black is not something you come across too often. It's a nice paint, no rust on the body, no patches underneath the car, no rust underneath the car. Very clean car. Not too many flaws on the car. I will point out anything that I do see, a couple of chips here and there, like a little example, a little touch-up. Body is laser straight. The paint is beautiful. Shines very nice. Nice front bumper here. A couple little marks on it, you know, towel marks, and that little bit of white marks that you see coming through. Not too bad. Hood fitment is very nice. I will open the engine compartment soon, actually. It's a little chip on the inner, right? Actually, nope, that was buffing compound, not a chip. But there are 3 little stone chips and 2 more right there. And I know there's a little crack right on top of the fender here. But that's it as far as flaws on this side of the car go. So I will open the hood. 350. Wheel-end valve covers. Winner's cast aluminum intake. And a nice double pumper polycarb. I'm sorry, I'm looking, I'm not showing it. It does power steering. And it's a nice clean compartment. I always like when they put that nice little compliment. So I'll leave this open and we'll go on. Headers as well, dual exhaust. Sounds pretty good. It's definitely got a little cam in there. It's got a nice rumble. Nothing too crazy though. And I'm not a Cragar guy. And these are not Cragars. This is more of a modern style. A little skinnier spoke. I'm sorry, I got the wind blowing in here. Skinnier spoke, and they look great on the car with this lower trim and the second level lower trim. It's got a great look. When you stand back out on it, looks really nice. Especially with all the chrome trim throughout. All looks really good. All the glass is in excellent condition. The only thing is there's a little rip in the door panel right there. Other than that though, door panel is nice. Glass is nice. You come on in here, here's the factory correct. So it is factory correct Tuxedo black with the black 731, I believe, bench seat. So all factory correct car. You got an SS steering wheel in here. Upgraded radio, the audio Vox. And here's the 4-speed. A lot of times they'll be cheap and stingy and throw a Saginaw in here, but I've been underneath it. It's a Muncie. A really nice thing that they did when they did the car. Really nice dash. They got a tack there, help you out. No cracks in the dash pad. I'm a fan of how the shifter's kind of like this too, where you hold it that way rather than this way. It feels more natural. But there's the bench seat's super nice, and the rear bench seat is probably nicer. Again, you know, less people sit in the back bench seat. Nice headliner. Looks like a little seam right there, just a small little guy starting. Other than that, nothing else going wrong. Dome light works if you see that. I'm getting some dust out here from all the wind. Top of the car is just as nice. Rear window is just as nice. All the trim is in very nice condition. You know, you get your typical marks on it, but it's shiny, it's not pitted. Again, not too many flaws. You know, maybe a couple little, those couple marks that you get that you buff out. Nothing too much. Like I said, I am looking for flaws, and I will point out anything that I do see. Trunk fitment is nice again. Good line on it. Looks to be a small little guy right there, a little chip. A little touch up right there, actually. Let me pull the key out. Here's the trunk. Spare jack tire iron. Super clean. Super solid. I know I got this set up nicely, but you know, this is not patched under here. This is all steel. Nice under hood too. Under trunk hood, trunk lid. Fits nicely. Shuts nicely. Like they're one of those, like a little tiny scratch, 1.5 inches long. Another 1.5 inches long one too. I love the way Tuxedo Black looks in the sun. It's got like a little silver sheen to it. You see right there. A little chip right there. Looks like a little chip right there, and another little chip right there on that door edge. See, like I said, 70 Nova, factory black, 350, power steering, Muncie 4-speed. Thanks for watching. Will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Check it out. Any other questions, let me know. There's a little chip right there, and then 2-3 bigger chips right there that have been touched up. So, again, I will fire it up real soon, and we'll drive it so you can see it and hear it. Thanks for watching.